Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got a special lens. It's a handmade macro lens. It's made out of Canon zoom lens by M10N brand. Talking about the lens, it's a fixed lens and you don't need a universal clip. Just you have to clip it on your lens mobile directly and your lens is ready to use. I would also like to inform you that it's written Canon zoom lens 10x but it has been modified to a macro lens by the M10N brand. With this lens, you will be getting some accessories. So let us check out one by one. You will be getting a microfiber cloth to clean your lens. You will also get two cotton sticks if you would like to clean your lens from inside. You also get a rubber cap for protecting your lens from getting any type of scratches. Further moving, you also get one more fiber cloth in spare. And the best thing I liked about this brand is that it's providing a free lens cleaner solution with the lens. Let me show you how to use this lens cleaner. Just spray from a distance and wipe with the given cloth and your lens is cleaned. And also for safety, make sure that this lens cleaner is kept far from children. Being Canon lens, they have provided a good coating on the lens, which will help in reducing reflections. Now let me show you by attaching the lens to my mobile. The first thing you will notice is the black border, but it is very easy to remove it. Just need to zoom in from your mobile and it will disappear. Let me show you something from this lens. So it's really sharp and we are getting good details from this lens. Now let me show you more sample shots taken from this lens. I am capturing the microfiber cloth. I am capturing this at a distance of 3 cm approximately. And I think it's a 20x micro lens. Now let me show you more sample. So this is the cotton stick. And friends, trust me, you can see that it's capturing lots of detail. You are able to see each and every hair of the cotton stick. This is the photo captured from the lens. Now let me show you the last sample. I will be trying to capture a thin hair which is generated from that leaf. As you can see, it is not at all clearly visible. I also noticed that it is producing a good bokeh effect which separates your subject and highlights more. I will be not judging this sample and would request you all to be the judge. And let me know what do you think about this lens. Do you think this is that the lens is really good. It is sharp and cover good details from its subject. It has a black border but can be solved easily. The plus point is that it is made from Canon lens, so you won't find any problem while using it. If you have liked my video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.